second position. Five, seven, 6, 7. I'm sorry, I just messed up. Right. 5, 8, 5, 8, 5, 6, 7. Back up to 10, 10th fret on that third string, and then on the second string now. There's a blue note. D, C, A flat, G, F, and then back to D. Those are the notes. Bending up to that blue note, which is A flat. Just a couple chords, D. E7, A7, D, and then E7. I've got a home in that rock, don't you see? I've got a home in that rock, don't you see? And just between the earth and the sky, where my Savior bled and died, I've got a home in that rock, don't you see? Don't you see? Poor man Lazarus, poor his eye, don't you see? Poor man Lazarus, poor his eye, don't you see? Poor man Lazarus, poor his eye, when he died, he had a home on high. He found a home in that rock, don't you see? Don't you see? Don't you see? Don't you see? Key of D. Josh White.